Hey guys, thanks for checking out the productivity and time management. I like to call it brain hammock, but it's a whole, what do you want to say? A smorgasbord, a store of, different courses to help you focus, find out what's really important to you, put your time toward that. I made this, I made it for women docs so we can actually figure out, what to say yes and no to, where to set the guardrails, how to get more fulfillment in our days. Because, we're just so glad to get that degree one day, and then that residency, and then that job, or the fellowship, and then what do we do now? How do we focus? How do we find something that really fulfills us? How do we learn about the neuroscience of, professional fulfillment and professional well-being? Why does it even matter? I go over this in this, I like to call this a bundle, just a bundle of opportunities for you. All the brain fresh courses you have access to on this bundle, especially the time management productivity. It's really changed me and my focus, and makes it so much easier to say yes or no to things because I have clarified my values and my strengths, and it's taken time. It does take time. So this is a monthly membership, so you can jump in and start ticking away and learning things and diving into the research, and I share my workshops and my lectures, even audio lessons, so that you could take me on the road. Why did I do this? I did this because I personally was looking for resources as a woman doc for, I kept asking people, how do you do it? How do you do it? I have 4 kids, and I did not find one place that made a lot of sense. I lead with my bias, which is neuroscience. I just feel like with this world of mental health crisis, why don't we learn how to preemptively or upstream put foundational skills into place and learn about what makes our brain happy, fulfilled, peaceful, good peace of mind. So in this course, in this bundle of courses that you have access to every month, we're going to have different focuses each month. This month will be productivity, but I'll walk you through that. So if you're interested, click the next tell me more button, enter the course button, and then you can watch the next video with more details. But I'm also learning how to be a coach at a next level, so I'm getting a certification in it. I already was a coach at work, and I wanted to get more and more training in that because I really believe in the power of coaching, the one-on-one connections, and the more literature I read, it's just so true. It's like that is the key, is that one-on-one connection. So click below. You'll get more information. Thanks for being interested. Feel free to DM me with any questions. Email me, thebrainfresh@gmail.com, thebrainfresh@gmail.com. I'm glad to answer your questions. All right, see you on the inside.